Hey guys, today we're showing you a product that I find fascinating. And first of all, it is really cool. So this is a multi-hub unit. You have a USB port, 1, 2, 3 Type-C ports. Oh no, wait. So you got, yes, 3 PD Type-C ports and 1 USB port. On the other side here, you have your multiple plugs, so you can plug in different things. You have the US connection. Let's see, it's a US, Australia, UK, and EU. So you can plug all those plugs in these ports here. Now, this is perfect for traveling. So if you want to travel to, let's say, the US or Australia, you push this out, and you have your 2-prong that you plug into the wall. Let's say you're traveling to the UK. Push this out, and you plug that into the wall. And then, of course, you can use all your ports then. Or, if you're going to the EU, you push that out, plug that into the wall. And you just push it down, push it out. Pull back. Push it down, push it out, pull back. And I find that amazing. The style of this is nice. Everything about this I absolutely love. This is really cool.